to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just reply to a particular message on Instagram. So it is pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you guys need to know, do is just go to your DM and just click on any of the messages and just swipe right, and here you can see that messages particularly appear here. Like I want to just type hello, and here you can see it has been sent. The another way by which you can just simply do this is by just click on that particular post, and here you can see at the bottom you can see that there is an option for reply. Click on that and you can just simply type any of the messages or any of the message that you want to send him or her personally. So that's all for this video. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.